Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Vicente Jimenez from BASF. Today, we're going to find out what happens to marshmallow peeps when you put them in a vacuum. You'll simply need peeps or marshmallows if they're not in season and a vacuum food container.
Peeps are sugar-covered marshmallows, polymers made of sugar, moisture, and tiny pockets of air. We'll seal the peeps and pump the air out of the container. You see that as the air pressure is decreased inside the container, the gas trap inside the peep expands.
Look how big the peep is getting.
When you let the air back in, bringing back pressure on the marshmallows, they quickly shrink. This is Boyles Law, which states that pressure and volume of a gas have an inverse relationship.
Let's compare it again to see how it's changed from its original size. Go to abc11.com/science club to find more on this experiment and visit us on Facebook to share your results. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.